hurricane that's going to be slow moving, that's going to traverse the state from southwest to northeast.
A monster storm would rise out of the Caribbean Sea and would set its sights on the populated Gulf Coast of the Florida Peninsula.
Track, as we mentioned, in southern Sarasota, northern Charlotte County area, around Venice.
So there's a story about this house. You're like, well, nobody's lived here yet. But how did the house become this house? There was another house, and it wasn't in good shape. Florida has hurricanes. I don't know if you know that. Are you from Florida, most of you? So hurricanes strike, bad things happen, and it's a long time coming, in all sincerity, for a new home. But a friend of Amber encouraged her to reach out to Rebuild Florida. Sweets. Hey, have you ever heard about Rebuild Florida? No. What do they do? Well, they rebuild homes in distress. We either rebuild it, we refurbish it, whatever we can do to make a family whole. And she says, that's like playing the lotto. Your chances...
She's like, I'll never get it.
I don't think I can get it because, well, what do you have to lose? Why don't you just do it? So it started with an idea and a friend. Just that simple. Maybe I can have a new house. Maybe I can have a new beginning for my family. Maybe. But there was effort put into it. There was encouragement put into it. There was prayer put into it. There was belief that something good could happen. And if you don't believe that something good can happen, then you shouldn't be here today. Because this is something good. Wouldn't you agree?
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
So I don't want to get too preachy, but I will just say that I've told her many times on the phone through this whole process, there is a man upstairs. He exists. Some people call him other names. Some people call him God himself, Jesus. I call him Lord, because that's why we do what we do. That's why I go out and do the things I do for people to help them. That's why Hudson Furniture does what they do, because they believe in giving back and helping people and loving people the way God wants us to love each other. And that's what that's about. So Hudson's Furniture, this was a miracle because the house was just about built. And I got a phone call saying, where can we get furniture? And I'm like, well, there's the Salvation Army. There's secondhand stuff you can get on Craigslist. Or I could make some phone calls. And I started getting on the phone, and a lot of rejection goes along with this, trying to find it. And Hudson said, let me find out if we can do that. I think we might be able to do something here. So there was a glimmer of hope, and that was this guy here, my first contact, yes. Damien. He never picks up the phone, ever picks up the phone. And every time I would call, what would happen?
I'd pick up every single time.
Which was a miracle in itself, because he never picks the phone up. So I asked you what, and you said what? I'm not going to steal the thunder.
Right. I did tell Keith, here I'm the store manager there at Hudson's Furniture, so I'm very busy. Usually I'm not the one answering the phone every day. So it just happened that Keith called. I'm the one that picked up, and we were able to kind of put this in motion, brought it to the Hudsons right away, and then, they said we'd love to be a part of helping, and kind of, we are a faith-based company here at Hudson.
Hi, my name is Amber Zane, and I want to thank everybody that donated to us from Hudson Furniture, Rebuild Florida, Home Depot, and Lazy Boy. It has made such a huge impact compared to where we came from. I'm able to offer my kids for the first time their own rooms. They're able to have people over. The happiness and joy that I see from them now in comparison to where they are. They don't dread coming home. They actually walk through the door and they're light and energetic and happy being home. I'm just very grateful that we've had this opportunity to have a whole new start for each and every one of us. Thank you so much for what you provided.
Hello, my name is Enzo, and I like our new house. It's great. I can go show you my new room. It's been great. I mean, I'm not scared the roof's gonna fall on me anymore. In my old house, behind my desk, I had my entire wall was like, it was starting to crumble from water damage, and it was, it was hard. We used to have roaches and stuff. It was a mess. It wasn't nice. But this is great. I have a new bed, new sofa. Everything is brand new. I have a shelf.
Somebody's staying with you
Yeah, I have my cousin staying with me today.
for a few days.
Yeah, for a few days.
So you gave him an air mattress.
Sleeping over.
Very
Yeah.
nice. It looks very comfy in here.
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Kayana. One of the things I would say that I'm grateful for when it comes to having a new home compared to the other house is not having different types of leakages everywhere. Another thing would be feeling safer, if you will. In the old house, it didn't feel as safe. There were issues with the windows, with the wood, even with the flooring, and so that's one of the things that I would say, or at least two of the things that I would say that I'm very grateful for, especially when it comes to, this whole program.
Hi, I'm Maya. That way's to my room.
So exciting.
It's a little bit of a mess, but we don't know about.
Now, is it true that you picked out your own furniture?
Yeah.
Where did you go and do that? Was it Hudson?
Yeah.
That's right, on the second floor.
I had to paint the room though.
You had to do painting. How do you like your new dresser?
It's nice.
Yeah, this was our home, this was the land, but the house layout was completely different, and it's we're still learning new stuff. We're we've never had a dishwasher. We've never had, this food just stuff we've just never experienced. So it's really wild, Or even hanging the pictures you guys gave us. We've never had pictures like that. Nice, So
If we're gonna do it, we gotta do it right. So let's talk about it. And I'll be honest, out of all the things you guys picked out, I am so glad this got a home.
Oh, really?
I'll be honest, it's been in the store for a few years. I was in that store 4 years ago, I was there, and when they talked about it, I'm like, a couple of showed us, this thing deserves a good home. It's a beautiful little cabinet, it's great for an entryway.
It's
Now
great.
it's got a place.
I mean, it makes me so happy walking and I see this and I see the kitchen layout. I mean, it feels like you live in a model home, and
There you
it
go.
just, I mean, I don't know if we've really sunk in yet.
It has
not. It's not.
Keith, how does it make you feel that you work for a company of integrity and gives back in this meaningful way? What does that speak to you?
For myself and for a lot of us at Hudson's, it's refreshing to work for a company that will step up for our community. To get involved and be able to help change people's lives and make their house a home is everything. So
Thank
simple
you.
as that.
All right, are we ready for the tour?
We are.
Yes.
Let's
All
see.
right. Start with, this is my room in here.
Put you on the front seat. That fit in nicely.
Yeah, I mean, everything came together nicely, so we got really.
Got yourself a reading chair.
Yes, and then the chase thing, the wooden chest in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That fits in there well.
I know, I was like.
It's so big when we see where I was like, where will it go?
I know, I really wasn't, I'm like, I just know I love it. And she fits in great, so it worked out really well. And of course, the dresser we got for you guys.
It's a nice dresser.
That dresser is solid wood. You guys will have that for years. First thing I see, gaming center.
Yes, of course.
My stuff is a little bit messy, but I have a little bit of stuff going on.
His cousin's
And,
staying
my
with him.
cousin's gonna stay
Okay, we
over.
must have visitors. Nothing wrong with that. You've got the room for it.
Yes.
And then my bed, I love this bed. It's super comfortable.
Good.
And then I've been using my chair well.
I see that. Like I said, I saw that right away.
We offered it, you guys offered him a dresser, but he's a man of, how do you put it?
A few simplistic man.
I mean, yeah, I have my clothes in my bag.
Well, he does have a shelf.
He does have. So does the cat. So.
The cat has something to go
Right
by.
here.
He did a nice closet.
And then I have my bag hanging up when I go on road trips, like I just did for like 5 days. And then under the car. Yeah.
You got a little of everything. You got the room. This looks like a boy's room.
Yeah.
Young man's
You
room.
need some artwork in there. Your boys' room, just get posters. Will be all good. The rock shows in the movie. Posters.
Yeah.
And then this is
Yeah,
my
cover.
oldest.
Oh wow, we got lights on the bed. Look at this.
We added an effect over there.
Some
She's
LEDs.
big into plays and things like that, and art and music mainly. So, and musical theater. So she got those. And then her end table. And then her other end table is the closet. So she has like
Okay, yeah.
her.
She's still trying to figure out where she wants to put her guitar now.
Yeah.
But I think it's still right there. In the dresser and the window.
I think she can do it above her bed too.
The builders spared no expense. They put crown molding in the rooms. Isn't that classy? 10-foot ceilings.
Yeah.
And this little shelf that was with her bedroom set became our little shoe drop off area.
There you go.
So we use that a lot.
Yeah.
You know, they're the most practical thing you put in a home. You stop and get the shoes on.
These shoes gotta buy. Right?